with some snow and very chilly numbers, and that's where our very own Jim Cantori is.
Well, we've got 7
radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 517, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: Kentucky, Anderson, Franklin, Jefferson, Mercer, Nelson, Shelby, Spencer, Washington, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Of Kentucky, Hancock and Perry counties until 2 o'clock. That severe thunderstorm warning is in place right now. Watch out, wind gusts here with this particular storm could get up into the 60-mile-per-hour range. And an overview here showing you where we have a tornado watch in effect until 9 o'clock.
And so that was amazing.
A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 62 degrees under cloudy skies. This afternoon, cloudy with periods of rain. High 63. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, rain changing to a wintry mix. Thunder possible. Low 27. Sunday, mainly cloudy with snow showers around in the morning. High 29. Chance of snow 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.